Hey guys, welcome back to 40 Plus Life, or welcome if you're new. I'm Veronica, and today I am going to do another hodgepodge of grocery hauls. So let's get to it. Okay, so here is my first grocery haul of November. So I'm just gonna go right into it. I got oh no, wait, let me tell you first. The total for this haul, as I pan around, was $75.35. And it was going to actually be a little bit more, but one thing was out, which is not a big deal. Okay, so what is not shown here is 6 bottles of Coke Zero, because if you know me by now, that that and this tea is my drinks of choice. So I always like to stock up on those and put them in just put them in the garage. So that's why they're heavy, so I don't want to carry them in. So 6 2-liter bottles, I should emphasize. And then I've got 2 containers of my cashew milk, which is my milk of choice. I've got 4 bottles of my diet sweet tea. I got 3 cans of Manwich, so this is part of my stocking up on stuff as I get it. Now, I am vegetarian, for those that don't know, and these are really good with any of the plant-based meats. So, yummy! You can still have good stuff. And then I got a pack of naan, which I haven't had in a while. So I thought I would get it. I wanted some pita bread, but they didn't have what I wanted. So I thought I'd try this so I can make little flatbread pizzas and stuff. So I've never had these barbecue chips before, but they were out of my honey barbecue, so they offered this as a substitution. So I was like, okay, I might as well, because the reason being is I got this container of Dean's French onion dip, and I'm not going to have it without any chips. So I said, okay, I'm just going to get it anyways. And then I got this. I got 2 cans of cranberry sauce. I got 2 different packs of mashed potatoes, the instant kind. Sometimes I just like to make instant mashed potatoes and just eat it. I do live by myself, so this is just for me. I don't care. It's still yummy. It's like boxed mac and cheese. I don't care. Still good. Not the best for you, but still yummy. So I got a 4 cheese flavor and a roasted garlic flavor. I got 2 packs of the American cheese singles. And then I got 2 packs of the Swiss cheese singles. I love all these, so I get those now. I didn't used to like them, but now I'm like, they're convenient and easy, so I just got them. They finally had my Mandarin Orange fake chicken by Gardein in stock, so I'm really excited that I was able to get that. I got 1 package of spinach for my smoothies, or my protein shakes, I should say. Because that's my one way of getting greens in, is I just stuff my protein shakes with spinach. 3 bananas for my protein shakes. 1 orange bell pepper, because it was on sale. I got 2 red onions. And I got 4 more red potatoes. And then I realized, oh no, I didn't get any more sour cream. It's hard to have this without the sour cream. And I also didn't get the shredded cheese. So I'm probably going to have to go off on my own, heaven forbid, and go into the store and get some. Or I'll just wait and just get it on my next grocery haul. But we'll see. The only thing that they were out of was, well, the honey barbecue chips, but I got a substitute for that. So the one thing that they didn't have, they had this Gardein sausage and homestyle gravy breakfast bowl, which is a vegetarian breakfast bowl. And I thought, wow, that looks interesting. I wanted to try it. But they were out, but that's okay. And again, this entire haul was $75.35. Don't forget to add in my 6 bottles of Coke Zero to this mix, so then it won't look so bad. Okay, and that is it for this grocery haul, the first one of November. All right, guys, here is my second grocery haul for the month of November. Today is the 15th, so I've been doing, my first one I think was on the 1st or 2nd, so I've been trying to do do it every 2 weeks. So this is what I got for this week. This order was supposed to be $95. They were out of stock of a ton of stuff. So this total ended up being like $59 and some change. So let's see what I got. These were on sale. A lot of this stuff was on sale, so I was really surprised because they're never on sale. So I got 2 of these. I probably should have got more, but even with being on sale, they're not exactly cheap. I got a thing of hash browns. They were out of, well, the hash browns I usually get, the Simply Potatoes, were not on sale, and I'm like, I'm not gonna get them. And so I got this because it was pretty cheap, so. And it lasts a while, which is nice. They were out of, the 2 chips that I wanted to get was the Lay's Honey Barbecue, which is my favorite, and then that other spicy sweet one that they have. But they were out of both, and because I was getting this French onion dip, I needed to have chips to go with it. So I'm like, fine, I'll just substitute this hickory barbecue. So we'll see how that goes. They were out of the 8-ounce bag of cheddar, but they substituted it with the 16-ounce, which actually was great because, as you know, well, at least at Smith's, not all places do this, but at Smith's, they will substitute, whatever they substitute, you get the original price. And so, yeah, I got a bigger bag of cheese for cheaper. And then they were out of my cocoa powder, so they substituted with this. I don't know, I've never tried that one before. We'll see how that goes. I got 1 orange bell pepper. I'm pretty zoomed in, aren't I? Yes. I got some bananas. I got the spinach, of course, for my protein shakes. An English cucumber. Green onions. My single cut leaf lettuce that I like to get. They were out of my sliced sourdough bread, which I'm really sad about because I only have like 1 slice left in the freezer. But at least I got these Hawaiian sweet rolls, which I love. Unfortunately, they're such an addiction. I don't know if I can eat just 2 at one sitting. I might eat this entire bag for dinner. We'll see. And then I got some pita bread because I wanted to make some, you know, like pizzas and stuff, which are really good like that and less calories. So I guess in terms of bread, that's not too bad. So I don't have my sliced sourdough, but I got 2 other kinds of bread. I already said this. Okay, I got this giant 2-pound bag of cranberries. I wanted the 1-pound bag because this is a lot of cranberries, but I was like, okay, I knew if I substituted, I'd get it for cheap, you know, the cheaper price. So I just did it anyways. I got 2 containers of my cashew milk because all this goes with my protein shakes. And I seem to have them every morning now, so definitely need this. What is this? Sweet and Low. I got a box of Sweet and Low, which is the 250 packet one. I got a thing of the Excedrin migraine because you just never know. And then I got sour cream. I got these. I've never tried these before, so I thought I would. 100 calorie. Oh, you know what though? Shoot. One thing about these, some of these things, they contain gelatin, and I did not check. Gelatin, I'm vegetarian, so as you know, gelatin is not vegetarian friendly. I don't see gelatin in here, so I think I might be safe. Surprisingly, the strangest things that you wouldn't think has gelatin in it does. So I really have to watch certain things that I eat, especially like when it comes to this kind of stuff. But thankfully, I think this one's okay. And then the last 2 things I got was some cling wrap and some napkins. So, I mean, I guess technically that's not too bad. This was $59 and some change. I just didn't get a lot of stuff. So they were out of both my drinks, the Coke Zero and the Diet Tea, which I always get a lot of both. They were out of, I can't remember right now. They were out of like the chips, but you know, those were substituted, so that's fine. The one thing that I was sad about is I ordered these M&Ms holiday mint because I was like, oh, I can get them because, you know, they're expensive at other places. And I was like, yes, I can get them because I get them for my mom. My mom loves them. So I was going to add them, 2 bags of them to her box when I send her Christmas gifts. And of course they're out. So I'll try again later. I still have time. But I was like, man, yeah. So there we go. That is my second grocery haul for this month. I'll probably at least do one more, I think. So there we go. Hey guys. I just had to make this video because when I tried this, or when I opened it, I just couldn't stop laughing. So remember I got these Hostess fruit pies and they're 100 calories, which is fine, but this thing was so tiny. I didn't know what to expect until I opened the box. So they're like bite size. Well, 2 bites, I guess. I mean, luckily I take small bites, so it'll last me a little bit. But I just couldn't stop laughing, and I had to showcase this. This is on one of those paper plates, like regular size dinner plates. So, yeah. All right, I just had to show this. Thanks. Okay, so here is my week 4 very small mini grocery haul. The total came out to $45.48. It was supposed to be a little more than that. There were a few things that were not in stock. So I got the Spicy Beyond sausage, breakfast sausages. I really like those. Vegetarian. But they were out. Those were on sale for $4.49. And then I got, well, as you can see here, there's a Coke Zero. I got 2 of those. I was supposed to get 6. 2 out of 6, I'm fine, as long as there's not 0. So anyways, let's move on here. I got more of the Hawaiian sweet rolls because they're just so yummy, and it's that time of year where I like rolls. My sliced sourdough bread. 2 of the Amy's bean and cheese burritos that I love. They were on sale. 'Tis the season. I got cherry pie and pumpkin pie. Cherry is one of my favorites. Cream pies are definitely my favorites, but out of normal pies, I like cherry. So these are for Thanksgiving. I also got 2 things of the whipped cream. They were out of the Cool Whip, and so they substituted these for me, and they paid the difference, which is great. And I got these roasted red skin potatoes. They're frozen. Never tried them before. I thought I'd try them out. I went crazy on the corn because they were cheaper to buy it in these packs than individually. So I got 2 packs of these because why not? Stock up. 2 18 packs of eggs. And then 3 of my diet teas, which I'm glad they had these this time since they were out last time of both the diet tea and the Coke Zero. So happy to get some of it. So there we go. This is my final grocery haul for November, and then we'll move on to December. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my grocery haul mashup for the month of November. Please do give a like. Yeah? Please do give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Please comment below, and please do subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in December. Bye.